It's back to school season. And when you need a quick and easy low-carb lunch, skip that high-carb Lunchable. This is the ultimate keto Lunchable. Not only is it quick and easy, but it has a 90-second cracker. And you can use pecan flour, hazelnut flour, almond flour, or one of my favorites, sacha inchi seeds. Why? Because it has zero net carbs and a deep earthy taste that I really like. Now, go ahead and add some to your food processor. And at this stage, there's no need for measurements. We're simply going to turn these seeds into some flour. Also, don't get carried away here. You just want to give it 3 quick bursts. We're not trying to make sacha inchi butter at this point. And I went ahead and overmixed this just to show you the oils that come out of this if you do overmix it. This could be a problem if making a recipe with stiff peaks. Now for this next step, I do like to remove my tray from the microwave. Now most of y'all know I like pre-cut parchment paper, but if you're using a roll, here's a quick tip. Tear off a piece, press it into the glass dish, shape it with your hands, then cut around the inside. This will give you a perfect fit every time. Now let's mix up the cracker mixture. In your food processor, add 3 tablespoons water first. Next, add 3 heaping tablespoons of mozzarella cheese, and don't skimp. Next, you'll need 1 tablespoon egg white protein powder. And last, you'll need 3 tablespoons of your choice of nut or seed flour. Now, I was just going to give it a couple bursts till it was smooth, and then all of a sudden, my power went out. Maybe it's time for a new NutriBullet. After all, I did abuse it about 2 years ago, trying to make it explode. Now, I know before the power went out, I said use the burst method, but it actually works better just running it for about 30 seconds steady. Now, pour your mixture onto the parchment paper and keep it in the center. Spread your mixture out over the parchment paper and try to keep it even. A back and forth method will help spread it evenly. If it's easier for you to use a circular motion, just make sure at the end you take the back and forth method to spread it out evenly. Now, microwave it on high for 2 minutes. While that cooks, we'll get the meat and cheese ready. And I'm using the turkey to match the Lunchable style. Now I like to use a cutter that allows 4 pieces of meat per slice. But if you like more protein, you can go ahead and use a larger one that will only cut 3. Now with the correct tool, you can make easy work out of slicing up some cheese. But guys, if you don't have these cutters, a simple knife will do just fine. Alright, now let's get back to the microwave. When it is done, check the center. If it's dry and not sticky, it's ready. Remove it from the microwave and flip it over. For best results, find a cookie cutter that actually matches the size of a regular Ritz cracker. Now you're ready to cut those crackers out. Work your way around the outer edge, staying as close to the edge as possible. This should allow you to get the most crackers out of your recipe. Place the crackers back in the microwave, this time around the edge of the plate. Avoid the center, it doesn't cook evenly. Microwave for 1 more minute on high, then let them cool. That's it. Now you have a light, crispy keto cracker, kind of like a Ritz, paired with some real cheese and some real unprocessed meat. This is the perfect low-carb Lunchable alternative. If you want to see my first cracker recipe, check this out here. Guys, thanks so much for watching. And as always, I will see you in the next video.